Hi, welcome. Today we are going to buy a hamster cars in order to claim our 5 million coins. And here we go. We will start with the mine and we'll go to market. So we are going to check out the cars on market. Let's see if this is it. We will go to DeFi 2.0 tokens. We're going to buy that one and check if it's that one. No, that's not the right one. And times 10 margin trading times 10, we are going to buy that one too to check if that's the one. No, that's not the one. Let's check for mem coins. Yeah, guys, today we are able to get our first card, which is the mem coins, located at the market section. So we are up and going to the second one, and let's check for the second one. Staking. No, the second one, it seems like it's tricky. Let's go for BTC pairs. No, let's go for top 100 CMC pairs. Let's buy that one and check if it's the one we want. No, it's not the second one they want for today. Let's go to fan tokens and buy fan tokens and see if, yeah, guys. So right now we are able to claim the second card and we are now up to the last one. Let's buy prediction markets. Let's buy prediction markets. Oh, my network is running slow. Yeah, prediction market, we're able to buy that one. So the second one was also mem coins, which was located on market. And now we are going to the third one. Let's check for the third one. No, this is not it. I definitely know it's all at market. So let's scroll down and check for trading bots. We are going to buy a trading bot and see if that is the last card for us to claim the 5 million coins for the day. Let's check for margin trading times 30. Let's buy that one to know that isn't the one they're looking for. Let's go to Dow deal. Let's buy that one and see if that's the one we are looking for. This one deal. So that's it, guys, for the day. Today, these are the cards we bought to claim the 5 million worth of hamster combat, and now it have accumulated into my total balance, which is giving me 71 million and above. And today, these are the trade cards they need in order to unlock the 5 million worth of daily combo hamster token. And for now, all you need to do is to go and check if you have redeemed the daily reward and if there are additional taxes that has popped up for you to perform in order to claim the extra coins. If there are no any, then kindly subscribe, like and share my video in order for me to post new updates on this channel. Thank you.